Amid the arrest of Raj Kundra in the pornography case, Bollywood diva Shilpa Shetty Kundra's sister Shamita Shetty entering Bigg Boss OTT house raised many eyebrows. And since the day she entered the house, the actress has been grabbing the limelight. Currently, her chemistry with Rakesh Bapat has become the talk of the town. In the recent episode, Shamita was seen nominating herself selflessly to save Rakesh from elimination, and her big sister Shilpa seemed to be so proud. On Monday, Shamita and Rakesh were called inside the confession room by Bigg Boss, where they were asked to decide mutually who will be saved from the nomination this week. Whoever gets saved will be able to read a letter from their family. Surprisingly, Shamita tore up the letter and asked Rakesh to read his letter from his family, after which she got very emotional as Rakesh consoled her. Shamita's team shared the clip of the entire scene on her official Instagram page, where sister Shilpa was quick to drop a comment. She wrote, "So proud, my Tunki." Well, recently also Shamita left into tears when she was shown a video message from her sister Shilpa Shetty Kundra. In the video, Shilpa asked her to remain strong. She said, "Big Brother and Bigg Boss just fall into our lives. Don't know what this relationship is, but you know how we play a brother's role in each other's lives when the need arises. So my brother, take care of yourself, because if you are strong, then I am strong and our mother is strong. Mummy is good. We are all missing you. Sending you lots of love and aise hi khelte rehna." After getting such a heartfelt message from her sister, Shamita got all teary-eyed as other housemates consoled her. Well, recently in one of the episodes of the show, the actress confessed that it has not been easy on her to live under her sister's shadow and want people to know the real her. She said that she still carries the emotional baggage of living under her sister Shilpa Shetty's shadow, and after a lot of struggle, she is finally comfortable in her skin. She further added that she wants the audience to see the real side of her, as she always gets shadowed because of constant comparisons with her sister Shilpa Shetty Kundra. However, the actress also said that it has been a very protective shadow and she is lucky to have it, but still wishes to create her individual identity.